Okay, we're going to test the Acer, which is brought back from Acer. The Acer company. It's supposed to have been fixed. Does not look like it was fixed. I can see that they updated the driver. This is the driver that they've got. That's the driver date, 10.0.0.251. Now the driver that was on there before was what is on all of the rest of our Acers. That's this driver, 533.0.1.155. Okay, they are both. This is an older Acer I'm looking at right here. See, that's the name of it. And this Acer does not have access to the internet. And here's the Acer that we had for repair. With that driver, this one also no access to the internet. I'm going to connect them. Go to this one, connect. It does its connecting thing. It needs authentication to log into this network. So we have to log in. I'm in, and I can browse the internet. Search history, blah blah. Nope, I want to do that. Now, if we look down here, you can see it's complaining a little bit, but we'll do that for the next couple of seconds. It'll finally figure itself out and go away. That's normal. Now let's try the other one that has no problems whatsoever connecting. Also going to connect it. There's my redirect. Now I'm in. Let's go back over here to our complainy guy. He's still just sitting on here. Still showing a bad connection down there. Well, as the good one, the other driver, it's actually all fixed up now. It's figured itself out. This one's still registering badly. I'm going to also go to a test here. Test. Let's see if Google can even bring this up. The web page is not available. Interesting. I'm going to try reloading. Still nothing. Still showing as disconnected down here. Let me actually click on it and see what it's showing me. It's saying limited. That's what it says. This one, other driver, looks just fine. I'm going to begin the test just to see what happens. Still see our connection is fine down here. And it had pretty good upload speed. Ping, where's my download speed? I'm going to put that here. But it's actually got pretty good speed. It's doing a very good job. Still connected. down here again, already saying like disconnect. So I've got to like disconnect this, I suppose, and try over again. Now it says connected. Try to reload my page. Shouldn't need to authenticate now. Okay. Now I can go in. See, you shouldn't have to do any of that, of course, so there's still a problem with this. Configuration load failed. An error occurred with loading. Please try again. Aha. Still has a problem. My guess is the hardware is malfunctioning at this point. It is not operating the way it should. I don't think that they even really did test this back at Acer. I think they just kind of put drivers on it that I'm done with it and they let it go. So that's where we're at right now. And nothing is available because it really doesn't have access to the internet. Okay, that's it for now.